Hey traders, yeah, good. Thank you, Brendan, for bringing that up. I mean, there's been a big movement today in a lot of different names, and I feel like we caught them early. We got Lucid. I mean, just look at this sticky note right here. Today, we put this out at 8 o'clock, right? Lucid today. Let's buy through 37. We actually did that. We have that. That's at 39.50 right now. You can see Palantir here. This is going to be the trade of the day. It's going to be Palantir, but let's just read what we talk about. Great trading yesterday, right? Let's play the long off of 1780. So we can close that, and now we'll go over here, and we'll just talk a little bit about what we looked at. We have a whole bunch of lines here. So this is the 1780 bottom, okay? That's what we played off yesterday. Those of you that were watching, we talked about taking longs in front of 18. We made a nice trade at the end of the day off some 18 support. But there it is right there. The 1780 goes all the way back, couple days, weeks, back down there where we sort of identified that level. Doesn't mean it can break. Yeah, it can break easily, but that's giving us a reason to go long and off of something. So as long as the futures keep on pumping to the north side, I like this Palantir spot. And then I put another line right here, 18, because yesterday at the close, we were looking at 18, bouncing around a little bit there in the pre-market. So yeah, we wanted to get long, and that's exactly what we wind up doing. This is going to look a little bit crazy here. Actually, we're almost getting close to getting out. I should have a stop order, I think, to break this 1875. So if you see a tick come in, that's going to be our last 25%. Well, look, it happens early, man. It's right there in the pre-market. We get an 18 fill. So we actually go long at like 1802, all right? Great fill off the open. And then it's just like, boom. We actually put this order because yesterday we were just scalping around on Palantir. So we actually take 10 cents right early. We're like, you know what? We'll take this. If it just keeps bouncing around like it was doing here yesterday, you know, bounce, bounce, bounce. Like the highest we got is 1820. So we're like, okay, we'll take an 1810. We'll take 8 cents really quick. Boom. Then it goes to 20 and we get out. We're like, all right. Then it just keeps on going up, 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 keeps getting elevated. So out 25, 50, 75%. This is all within the first 2 minutes of trading. So I was getting lit up. Like I was short everything, long everything. I think 4 or 5 positions here. Then we're like, you know what? Let's let this ride. And then as you can see, we have a little bit of a channel here. This is 1845. If we come back over here, you can see this is one of those levels where we didn't know what was going to happen up here. So we did want to get a little piece out ahead of 1850. And that's what we wind up doing right here, getting out at 1840. And then now it's elevate time. It's going back up to $19. You can see on the chart here, 19 really hasn't had much liftoff. I mean, we lift off a couple times, 1920, 1950, but you know, that should have been an out up there, but we're waiting. We're still holding on to 25% of this, but you got to have an out, and I'm picking 75. So I'm surprised one little tick down here and we'll get out of this trade live. We have a stop order in right now. Otherwise, I'm targeting, I mean, it's probably going to get ticked out, but if not, I'm targeting like an 1890, 1895 or so. It's Palantir. It's your trade of the day off some support. We love this name, and it's been a great day trading name to look forward to in the new year.